What have you done? Say something like Kafra. Who to what you want? Huh? I don't know who Piabe to so him say high kwan who to so I won't check.
Oh me ba na me ma me kasa me hunti na ma adwene nyina wo ho.
Etu ma me kasa na wo kasa wo no hia che me. Ya madresse. Madresse ya me ko interview no. Ala wo hwe nso afọ me mo a. Hwe. You said the was here for me see. Ow. Oh, sister. I don't know we any papa ni sem sa. Enti wo de baby we tifie duri. Enti wo nim nyasa se bi o tafra che wo tu nsuo no aba kwan mu no. E de ne definitely nipa betwam. Enti wo beto bo. Ada na wo ya mo ya de ma ne ya awreho ya bro sem sa. Ha?
Ready for chama sheda.
Aha kafra ne mfa
ma bro we kasa me hunti ma adwene nyina wo.
Sai jai sa ma bere wa sem no. Stop that.
Facham we dem pacho we. We dem pacho facham. We. So
Mama, I must tell your mother. What's a catch your mommy? Because your mother only me, Dino. I'm fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. So big shame so go me ho kwa. No afa ho na wo kwa kodi.
Na wo dia na ma dia na so abato ma hwe ne ho no. Ade.
Me ba hwe so na wakasa me ho na me hu e ma
ma permit so ma
me hwe so no go bra yi ho na se me ko frɛ me ma me mbra me so kwa na ma se adwan.
Wa hwe so agu bra ne ho. Se ne se hu ti na kwan kakra da wa
me hu
bra.
Me bra.
Obra ni.
Pacha.
Ade ti na unu ba no wa bi nso egu me.
O se ti na nu ti na ya de mapia ba mi nim. Ne se o ye chacha ma abrewa no so hye efie edwe de edwale. Na me se me ne pia ba me hwe de ko so chacha ma.
At least she should watch out. She should watch out. So we should quite kakaka we should de gatam kura na wo no. Kabra wani ne be hwe gu gatam. Nya sem. We jina wo kwa no na wo to ade.
Also about her, she's sorry, okay. Forgive her. Okay. She's very sorry.
Not that forgive matter. If it were someone crazy, you would have died.
That's why we said we are sorry. Forgive. Eh? Boss, why? Okay. Why are you looking her like that? Why?
I wonder why a lady like her doing such a thing.
You are pleading you. You go home.
Is she married?
Go home. I will deal with it.
Is she married?
Is that one concern you?
No. I want to know if she's married.
Why do you want to know?
I want to know because
no,
a married person cannot do this.
It doesn't matter. This matter doesn't matter you.
It's matter.
It's
because
matter. What?
If she has married, she should have been to her husband's place. Not this house, throwing waters and rivers onto some people.
She's not married yet.
She's not married.
Yeah.
That's why she's doing this stupid thing.
He now be preparing to marry.
But at this age, she's in the house eating, sleeping, sleeping, and throwing rivers on some people. You make that thing west. Give me a bucket of a river.
Una wo misuban on.
Usuba te sen.
Unya wo misuban.
Se usuban ni a. Unso wo home dia.
Usafia me akwa bon che obi am panyin sem beto nchen. E fa wo na opanyin na wo ye.
Wo home nso misuban da.
Me hu suban da tiam se ko.
Enti se wo de ye mo ya hwegu a, me de me ye nipa we me dwo wa.
So nso dwan fia ni mu di.
Dwan fia ni de na beti.
Betua ya wo niema. Betua ke kan niema bom dia ye uti ko.
Niema ben na wo beti.
Ko ma mbu fu ko.
Unya na for me.
Na se ko.
Unya nya se.
Papa wo cho ko.
Se me mpeche opa no. They say menye chopan.
Masa,
I cannot accept the apology. What will you do?
Then I say, okay, leave my house.
I will not leave.
You will not leave.
Are you the one who moisture me? Are you the one who pour river on me?
Now, Papa, you cry what day?
I said, are you the one who pour river on me?
Open some me zone here, man.
I said, are you the one who put river on me?
Masa, you come besney. Besney come masa. Hey. Where?
Don't know me.
Tell me back, tell me.
Then I be.
I don't know what to get. What why? You get in there already, you see.
What will you do?
Open the
if
gate.
You are a man, open the gate and come.
If you are a man, open the gate.
If you say you are a man, come and open the gate.
Open the gate and see what
You to open the gate and come. If you are a man. If you are a man, open the gate and come.
Papa, you want to call a bonnia? No. Who want to call a bonnia? Who feed the house? Hey.